Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Happy Friday, everyone. It is up to trade number 53. Now, trade 53, we're going to choose a random trade, but it is a Friday. And Friday, we've been using the news of the week. And so we're going to use the news of the week to choose a random trade to make this a little bit more fun. But once we make that trade, we don't know if it's going to be long, short. All we know is some of them work for you and some of them don't. We're not trying to make money in this experiment from getting into the right times. We're trying to show you how important the exit is. If you get the exit right, you can be really a great trader. But the way you get it right is you treat every single trade the same, because we don't know which ones are good and which ones are bad, regardless of the research or the chart pattern that is currently in. Our best trade to date was a trade I picked. I put it as middle of the pack. I picked a stock that was in the middle of the pack and ended up taking off. It was Krispy Kreme donuts. It was our best trade ever. What is Friday's trade? Well, we got big news this week. The first ever spot Bitcoin ETF was approved by the SEC. So we are going to be doing a cryptocurrency trade, but we're going to stick with the stock market. So we'll be doing a cryptocurrency stock. So this is big news this week. I'm just going to go on to a webpage, ask for cryptocurrency stocks, and then we'll spin a wheel and pick that stock. All right, cryptocurrency stocks. All right, so we've got, all right, let's count how many we have here. Looks like we have 16. We've got 16, so let me go ahead and start a wheel, but then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll count it like that. All right, here we've got our wheel of 16. We're going to spin it. Whatever the number is, we're going to go pick that stock. Looks like number 3 is the winner. Let's go back to our list. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Marathon Digital. The ticker symbol on this is MARA. Let's go look at a chart. All right, Marathon Digital. You can see that there's a lot of anticipation. This is classic. Buy the rumors, sell the news. Our 13 EMA is clearly sloping down. So this is going to be a short. So looking at a short at 1955, current ATR is $2.09. Wow, that's big volatility. That means that this stock moves on average about 11% in a range in a day. So it just means our position size is going to be a lot slower. We're making all the trades the exact same way. So entry at 1955, ATR at $2 and, sorry, there's a wrong reading on ATR. ATR is 255. So wow, even more volatile than I expected. So 255 ATR. It is January 12th, 2024. The ticker symbol MARA, Marathon. We are going to be short. 1955 was the current price when we looked at it. ATR was 255. So 2x ATR is going to be $5.10. $5.10. Let's go do our position sizing and then make the trade. First thing we need to get for our position sizing is our current account balance. If we go to our current account balance, it is currently at $102,661. We will take that into a position sizing calculator. We're going to take our account balance, which was 102,661. Our risk is always 1%. 1955 was the entry. The stop loss was 24.65. Now remember, a more volatile stock makes our position size smaller. We can't trade tight with tight stops on a volatile stock. It's the dumbest thing in the world. I see people do it, and it makes no sense. You gotta let the volatile stop run around and do its thing, or else you're gonna have a loss, long or short. I don't care. Hit calculate. We're gonna be short 202 shares. Again, I just want to show you when you position size using ATR, We'd made another trade this week on a $14 stock where we did 1,700 shares. So as you can see here, different volatility calls for different stop amounts. Let's put in MARA. That is too many R's. Let's start that over. MARA. It is going to be a sell. Quantity 202. 202 shares. See, the bid right now is 1962. I'm going to put it underneath the bid. Again, this one's going to be volatile. So on volatile stocks, sometimes it's a little tough to get filled when you have those tight limits. Our trailing stop was $5.10, 2x ATR. Let's go ahead and hit submit. All right, the order is out there. It is not getting filled yet. We're still waiting for a fill on this one. There we go. Fill price was $19.62. $19.62. Let's finish this out. For trade number 53, we are short 202 shares of Marathon. And look at these numbers. These numbers are pretty bonkers. So our initial stop is at 24.72. Our 2x target is 14.52. Our 4x target is all the way down to $9. That's going to be more than a 50% decline. This thing's nuts. Volatility. There's lots of volatility in crypto right now. What do we do after this? Well, look, we just follow our rules. There is no deviation. If you want to watch this, you can. But again, anything you do is a mistake. On position management, you must be robotic. A lot of people automate this process. We're big fans of that at Maverick. Just let this trade run its course. It's either going to work or it's not. Goodbye, everyone.